not tonight. Blocks on the floor, cars in a line, Teddy on pillow, this looks fine. Mom says gently, time to clean. Superhero kid goes run unseen. He tries to fly, cape goes plop, broom won't lift, power stop. Super strength gone away, messy room says clean today. He hides behind the door, peek, peek, robot toy squeaks, clean's not weak. Teddy waves with button eyes, cleaning helps your powers rise. He picks one toy,